Tired of staring into an empty fridge? Let's unlock a game-changing way to use your EBT card on Uber Eats for groceries and eligible restaurant meals. First, open your Uber Eats app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like a little person or a profile picture. In the account menu, find and select the wallet option. This is where you manage your payment methods. Next, tap on Add Payment Method. This will bring up a list of payment options. Look for the EBT card option and select it. If you don't see it, EBT might not be available in your area yet. Now, carefully enter your EBT card number and select the state where your EBT card was issued. Double-check the numbers to avoid any errors. Once your EBT card is linked, you're ready to shop. Look for grocery stores and restaurants that display the EBT logo within the Uber Eats app. Not all locations are eligible, so this is important. Browse the available items and add your desired groceries or eligible prepared food to your cart. At checkout, select your EBT card as the payment method. You may need to use a secondary payment method for any remaining balance if your order exceeds your EBT amount or if there are fees not covered by EBT. And that's it. You've successfully used your EBT card on Uber Eats. Enjoy the convenience of grocery delivery and remember to check for eligible restaurants in your area. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips.